Now, Jharkhand police have arrested a cybercriminal from Manipur in connection with online fraud case involving siphoning of 8.45 lakh rupees from a bank account in Gumla district. According to India Today NE, the arrest came after a written complaint was lodged by Amruddin Khan, a resident of Ambedkar Nagar in Gumla, who reported that 8.45 lakh rupees had been fraudulently withdrawn from his account on September 12. Sub-Divisional Office police officers said that investigations revealed a total of 10.75 lakh rupees had been transferred from Khan's two bank accounts to one held by Lukram Dinesh Maitai, a resident of Kharsan Makha Laikai under Lamlai police station in Imphal East district. A special police team was dispatched to Manipur to verify the transactions and interrogate the accused. During questioning, Dinesh allegedly confessed to withdrawing 8 lakh rupees on September 11. After obtaining a transit remand from Imphal court, the accused was brought to Gumla on October 11 and subsequently remanded to judicial custody. Police recovered 3 ATM cards, 7 bank passbooks, 2 mobile phones and several checkbooks linked to various banks from his possession.